Hello, this is Homesteading Northwest Florida, HSNWFL, Gardening Zone 8A in Northwest Florida. And here's one of our, it's about 1:20 in the afternoon. This morning was a high of, I'd say, like 95, 96. And it's very windy during our rainstorms. It's like, now it's 76, 78. So it cooled down about 8 or 10 degrees. Oh, no, 20. About 76, 86, 96. Yeah, about 20 degrees. It cooled down. It's turned into a beautiful kind of afternoon here. I would take this over anything else. And you can see how windy it gets here when it rains. Hopefully I'm not getting any rain in my little camera here, which is a piece of junk. Like a GoPro knockoff. But the bamboo is just making it from not tipping over. That's what's kind of awesome about it. I do see a lot of fences go down. And the Guadalajara plant is tipping over. A wisteria actually is trying to grab onto that Guadalajara plant because I got wisteria up this trellis. But yeah, it's about to rain. I hope it rains enough. It actually ripped off my yellow trumpet vine off of that pillar. That as you can see, oh, that's moving a little bit. But very windy here when it has a type of tropical storms that we get here. Keep my hand off of the, way out of the camera lens. But very windy. The tops of the trees are very windy. Moving around a lot. A lot of trees do fall over. I had a couple fall over, and it was a 6-inch diameter tree or 6-foot diameter oak tree fell into a sweet gum tree, and it's so big I'm gonna have to double cut it with a chainsaw and get it out of here. But here's just a sample of the wind. Very windy. It's like a reaction of everything. Trees are really moving up over there. I don't have enough money to get them cut down. I'll probably I do end up cutting some down, but now it's getting really windy. But it is so nice that it's cooler. We had 103 degree temperatures. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this bamboo. How much it's tipping. We had 103 degree temperatures. I got a great big oak tree over here. See how that much is much that is moving, but the bamboo is definitely getting pushed over. But it stays standing. That's the beauty of bamboo. I've seen a lot of fences fall over. Fence repair. Good job. But you can't keep chickens in a bamboo fence, I don't think. Maybe I could grow one and start trying it. But yeah, you can see everything's moving around. All right. Just wanted to show you a sample of the storms here. Thanks for watching.